Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my favorite fall lipsticks for 2020 video. Back in April, I think, I did a current favorite lipstick video and it seemed like you guys really enjoyed that video. So I was like, why not film a fall edition? So here I am doing that video for you guys. And yeah, so without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So the first lipstick I have to show you guys is Nars Mona. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it and then come back. So the first lipstick recommendation I have for you guys is Nars Mona. I'm gonna swatch it and then come back. So this is the Nars Audacious lipstick in the shade Mona. And this is what it looks like in the tube. It is a satin finish lipstick and it is free of parabens. So this is a mahogany color and a deep, silky smooth brick red. It's actually the color I'm currently wearing right now. The pigmented, creamy texture of this lipstick applies to deliver a smooth, pigmented color with one swipe of the lipstick. And another aspect I really like about this lipstick is the really cool magnetic closure, like that. So the next color I have to show you guys is the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Devoted to Chili. I'm gonna swatch it and then be right back. So that is the color right there, MAC's Powder Kiss lipstick in Devoted to Chili. And this is what it looks like in the tube. So the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick is a newer line launched by MAC, and this particular color is 316 Devoted to Chili. It is a warm brick red color and it applies to a beautiful matte finish. This is a super lightweight moisturizing matte lipstick, surprisingly, and this particular lipstick has an amazing blurring soft focus effect on your lips. It's formulated with moisture coated powder pigments to create a beautiful lightweight matte lipstick, and that is the color that I'm wearing right now. I forgot to mention, it's the one on my lips currently. It blurs lines, smooths lips, and feels like a lip balm. So this is the third product I have to show you guys. I actually have it on my lips right now. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys in a second. This is the Peripera Perry's Ink Velvet Tint in the shade 06. So that is the color right there, and that's what it looks like on my lips. I'm gonna show you guys the applicator. It looks like a little dropper, but that's just what it looks like. Just a classic doe foot applicator. This is a beautiful red color for the fall time, as you can see. You know, this is a super highly pigmented red color. It is really long wearing, gluten-free, and paraben-free. This particular shade in 06 is a deep rosy burgundy color, and the texture of this lip product is super silky smooth and very comfortable. So this is the fourth lip product I have to show you guys. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lolita 2. It's currently what I'm wearing on my lips right now. So that's what Lolita 2 looks like on my hand, and this is the doe foot applicator wand. So yeah, that's the color right there. And I feel like a lot of people already know this color since it's like a pretty like cult favorite from a couple of years ago, but I still think it's a really beautiful fall lip color. This is a terracotta nude and a rich brick red with hints of like orange and coral. This is a super long wearing and highly pigmented lipstick. I feel like it has currently already dried on my lips right now. Super long wearing and a highly pigmented color. This lipstick has a silky smooth matte texture on your lips, and it is vegan beauty if you guys are interested, and it is also packed with natural moisturizers such as vitamin E and sunflower seed wax. So that's the color I have on my lips right now, and let's move on to the next product. So I think I mentioned this in my last lipstick video, but I wanted to mention it again because I think it's the epitome of fall. It's currently what I have on my lips right now. This is the YSL Rouge Volupte Shine in the shade 80. So that's a lipstick shade right there, swatched on my hand. And that's what it looks like. Yeah, it's so glossy as you can see. So as I said, this is the YSL Rouge Volupte Shine, and it is a high shine finish lipstick. So the color of this lipstick on Sephora is described as Chili Tunique Medium True Spice. I'm not really sure what that means, but that's what Sephora stated it as. I think this lipstick for me is like the perfect maple leaf red coral orange, if you know what I mean. And I just think it's perfect for fall, especially if you guys are looking for a good moisturizing lipstick. It has medium coverage on your lips, but it has an amazing high shine balm-like texture that is perfect for Canadian fall and winter. This lipstick is made with antioxidant pomegranate extract, macadamia butter, as well as hyaluronic acid. It is infused with 65% oil and it provides all-day comfort. I definitely recommend this lipstick. I love it a lot. So the next lipstick I have to show you guys is from Colourpop. I love Colourpop lip products because I think they are affordable and definitely match up to a lot of higher end lipsticks. This is their Blur Luxe line of lipsticks, and it's currently what I have on my lips right now. So this is the Colourpop Blur Luxe lipstick in the shade 21 Questions, and this is what the color looks like in the tube. my hand. Honestly, at this point, I'm sorry if there's like lipstick outside of my lip line, if you know, because I've just been removing them and putting on a new shade. So yeah, and I haven't bothered to like conceal. The color of this lipstick is a beautiful burnt orange red color. This is a super comforting matte lipstick. As you can see, a reoccurring pattern is that I love matte lipsticks, but they have to be hydrating. So this is a super nourishing and comforting matte lipstick, and you barely feel it on your lips. Features a lot of soft blurring pigments, and it looks like a kind of like the matte Powder Kiss lipstick. If you guys are looking for a dupe of the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in Devoted to Chili, I think this lipstick looks very similar. And this Colourpop lipstick features a velvet soft texture, and it feels super comforting on your lips. So again, that's the color I have on right now. I'm so sorry if it is out of my lip line because I've just been putting on and taking off lipsticks, so I apologize, but that's what the color looks like. And beautiful rose gold packaging. So this is the second last lipstick I have to show you guys. I'm sorry if you guys saw like something white here. It was just my notebook with my notes I made for this video because I want to be as educational as possible. So this is the Colourpop Cream Luxe lipstick in the shade Tea Time. I currently have it on my lips. So this is what Colourpop Cream Luxe lipstick in Tea Time looks like. The one above it is the one that I was just wearing in 21 Questions, and this is the one I'm wearing right now. So below is the cream texture from Colourpop, and above is the matte texture. Both are very, very comfortable if you guys are looking for a great lipstick. So this particular color in Tea Time is a beautiful plummy terracotta color. This lipstick is creamy but also long wearing at the same time, is enriched with hydrating butters to really moisturize your lips. This lipstick has rich pigmentation and a comfy, lightweight formula. So if you guys have drier lips, then I definitely recommend the Cream Luxe lipsticks, but if you guys are looking for a blurring matte, I recommend the matte lipsticks. So again, this is the color Tea Time. So last lip product I have to show you guys is the Fenty lip gloss or Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer, and I have that on my lips right now. Usually I would be putting it on either one of the colors, which is why I'm showing you guys this product last. I'm wearing it just with nothing underneath my lips right now because I feel like my lips are stained from like the 7 products that I tried before. So this is what the applicator looks like. It is a super chubby little doe foot applicator, and the color of this lip gloss looks like this. Where is it? It's right here. You can barely tell, but it's like a super high shine, shimmery, nude. The product. I feel like everybody has tried out this lip gloss, but I just wanted to mention it because I think it's like the perfect fall nudie shade to layer over these beautiful burnt red, orange, terracotta nude colors. So I have this lip gloss in the shade Fenty Glow, and it is a beautiful shimmering rose nude color. It is made with shea butter, and this lip product is cruelty free. The large lip gloss one leaves lips looking fuller and smoother. This is a lip gloss, but it's honestly not super sticky. And I also really, really love the scent of this. It has an addictive peachy vanilla scent. So yeah, Rihanna created the perfect lip gloss that makes you want to put it on over and over again. That is the last lip product, and this video is complete. So we have made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys made it to the end, comment down below a black heart emoji. I will know that you guys, stay till the end. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful in some way. And also tell me down below which lipstick that you think is the prettiest, even though they all look the same in camera, but I swear there's a difference. There's a difference. Yeah, so tell me which one out of the 8 that you guys like the best, and even better if you guys want to buy any of these. 100% not affiliated, not sponsored. I'm not making any commission. I just love lipsticks. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great start to school, and hope you guys all 4.0 this fall semester, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.